Flying isn't just a means of transportation for many, it's a source of leisure and excitement, especially for aviation enthusiasts. The joy of flying is often best experienced in the cockpit of a small, personal, ultralight aircraft. While there are numerous options available worldwide, none quite match the exhilaration of piloting an ultralight amphibious aircraft. This unique experience offers the dual thrill of cruising on water and taking flight through the skies. With that in mind, here are the top 10 ultralight amphibious aircraft that you can easily buy, offering you the opportunity to indulge in the delight of flying in air while seamlessly transitioning to cruising on water. Icon A5. The Icon A5 is an American amphibious light sport aircraft built by Icon Aircraft that first flew in 2008 as a concept aircraft. This unique aircraft redefines leisurely flying by providing an unmatched flight experience. The A5 is designed for recreational pilots with its ease of use, lightweight build, and cost-effective operation, making sport flying accessible and enjoyable. This amphibious monoplane has a high wing shape, suggestive of a flying boat, a carbon fiber construction, and retractable undercarriages. It seats 2 people in a comfortable enclosed cockpit that is 46 inches wide. It can reach speeds of up to 90 knots while powered by a single 100 horsepower Rotax 912 IS engine and a 3-bladed pusher propeller. It has Dornier-style sponsons that provide hydrodynamic stability, and it combines the main landing gear when retracted, serving as a convenient step for passengers and crew. Its wings are designed to fold rearward for convenient ground transport and storage. It is equipped with modern safety features, such as an angle of attack indicator for stall awareness, making it a rarity in general aviation aircraft to offer better flight security. With a price range of $269,000 to $389,000 and a range of 345 miles, the Icon A5 offers both performance and practicality to flying enthusiasts. Super Petrel LS. The Super Petrel is an amphibious biplane with a pusher layout, seating 2 people side by side. This plane, designed in France but manufactured in Brazil in 2002, embodies a unique blend of strength and charm. Its unusual biplane design, which features staggered wings, provides various advantageous flight qualities. The Super Petrel LS seaplane features a smooth stall, great stability, and comfort even in turbulent circumstances. Its brief and steady takeoff performance eliminates the need for flaps, resulting in a smooth departure. Its outstanding landing behavior is especially noteworthy, allowing for a drop in the final approach without acceleration. This allows pilots to stabilize above the runway, adjust to the landing altitude, and perform a smooth and precise touchdown. The aircraft's compact rear fuselage reduces the impact of crosswinds on landings, increasing stability and ease of operation. At low speeds, the Super Petrel LS is sturdy and precise, making it ideal for both land and ocean landings. This 20-foot-long aircraft has a top speed of 120 miles per hour and a range of 950 kilometers. With an empty weight of 705 pounds and a maximum takeoff weight of 1,323 pounds, the Super Petrel LS combines performance and dependability to provide a safe and fun flying experience. C-MAX. The C-MAX is a Brazilian single-engine amphibious light sport aircraft built by C-MAX Aircraft, with its headquarters in Sao Paulo. Its design incorporates composite materials and metal components, ensuring durability and performance. The cabin has a cozy 2-seat side-by-side format with a bubble canopy, and the canopy is hydraulically raised for added accessibility. It has a high-wing design that is strut-braced for stability and a cruciform tail. It also has retractable tricycle landing gear that allows for water landings. It is powered by a 100 horsepower Rotax 912 ULS engine mounted in a pusher configuration above the wing to reduce water intake. Spanning a wingspan of 28 feet, This aircraft reaches a maximum speed of 130 miles per hour. Weighing in at 300 kilograms empty and with a gross weight of 520 kilograms, it offers versatility in flight. Adhering to both European Microlight and US LSA categories, the C-MAX M22 can be tailored to meet specific regulatory requirements. It is available in 3 different packages to accommodate a wide range of tastes. The Performance package begins at $170,450, followed by the Exclusive package at $179,900 and the IFR Plus Autopilot package at $194,700, offering options customized to different needs and preferences. Equator P2 Excursion. Equator P2 Excursion is an electric ultralight amphibious plane made in Norway. It uses a hybrid electric propulsion system developed since 2010 and completed flight tests, demonstrating its ability to function fluidly on land and water. It can accommodate 2 persons and has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,650 pounds and a usable load of 550 pounds. With a top cruising speed of 130 knots, it offers versatility, allowing economical travel at 118 knots for distances of up to 1975 miles. It has retractable landing gear integrated into its carbon fiber Kevlar composite airframe, a DUC flash propeller controlled by a special DUC hub and spinner, and an Engero M97 electric motor. This combination of cutting-edge technology and inventive design puts the P2 Excursion as a promising addition to the world of electric flight. Nortec Omsider. The Nordic Omsider is a Norwegian amphibious flying boat manufactured by Nordic Aircraft AS. This unique aircraft's design has a cantilever high wing configuration with a stub lower wing and float for stability. It has an enclosed cockpit with 2 seats in tandem under a forward hinged bubble canopy. It also has a T-tail design that improves aerodynamic efficiency, and retractable tricycle landing gear allows for both land and water operations. The aircraft is constructed from composite materials, ensuring durability and performance. With a wingspan of 29.9 feet, the wing incorporates flaps for improved control and maneuverability. It is powered by common engines such as the 100 HP Rotax 912 ULS and Rotax 912 4-stroke power plants, which are mounted in a pusher configuration. With a cruise speed of 130 miles per hour and a range of 560 miles, the Nordic Omsider promises efficient and versatile performance for a variety of missions and environments. Progressive Aerodyne Sea Ray. The Progressive Aerodyne Sea Ray is an American amphibious flying boat engineered and crafted by Progressive Aerodyne in Florida. This 2-seat marvel is designed to seamlessly transition between air and water, featuring a semi-monocoque hull reminiscent of a boat structure. Constructed with a combination of fiberglass and optional carbon graphite components, the hull, nose deck, and turtle deck are riveted together, providing durability and strength. Opting for carbon graphite parts reduces the overall weight by approximately 70 pounds. The Sea Ray's wings are mounted on aluminum struts and fitted with roto-cast plastic floats, which improve buoyancy and stability. Positioned above the wing, the single engine propels a rear-facing pusher propeller, offering efficient propulsion. It can be equipped with the Rotax 914 turbocharged engine, which produces 115 horsepower and has a top speed of 120 miles per hour. With a length of 22 feet, the Sea Ray strikes a compromise between maneuverability and space. It has an empty weight of 820 pounds and a gross weight of 1,370 pounds, ensuring versatility in a variety of operating conditions. Priced at $124,000, the Sea Ray delivers exceptional value, combining performance, versatility, and affordability for aviation enthusiasts. Aero Volga Bori. The Aero Volga Bori is a single-engine amphibious aircraft designed and built in Russia by Aero Volga. This two-seat ultralight marvel is powered by either a Rotax 912 or 914 engine, which provides dependable performance for a variety of tasks. The Bori is primarily intended for training reasons and is equipped with instruments appropriate for night flying, ensuring versatility in a variety of settings. The Bori's airframe is made of fiberglass and carbon fiber, with fabric-covered wings and elevators for durability and lightweight construction. Its design incorporates a novel flying boat hull, as well as manually retractable conventional landing gear with a steerable tailwheel for smooth transitions between land and water operations. The Bori can be equipped with a BRS ballistic parachute system as an option for enhanced safety. With a cruise speed of 96 miles per hour and a range of 560 miles, the Aero Volga Bori provides dependable performance and versatility to a diverse variety of aviation enthusiasts and missions.